Welcome to Autoserve and our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Over the next few moments, we will take a look at what accident management means for you as part of your Guaranteed Maintenance package. We work with a trusted partner to provide accident management. Our accident management facility covers both fault and non-fault accidents with a 24/7, 365 days a year incident response line. After your call to our dedicated line, our partner will arrange for your vehicle to be recovered and taken to an approved garage for both review of the damage and repair. Our partner has access to a nationwide network of approved repairers. They also have access to qualified engineers who review estimates to ensure true and fair damage costs. By using our partner's approved repairers, you can be confident of a quality repair with minimal downtime to your vehicle. They'll also provide advice or free legal assistance if you, as the driver, is not at fault. Additionally, should you be involved in an accident that wasn't your fault, our partner is able to arrange a like-for-like replacement vehicle for the duration of repairs, subject to availability. We would like to take a moment to stress that our accident management facility is not a replacement for motor insurance. You must separately insure your vehicle with a valid insurance company before it is driven, as this is a legal requirement. Our accident management facility provides support to you after an accident, and our partner can contact your insurance company to help you make a claim. Remember, whether it's an accident, breakdown, or a tyre puncture, we're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're just a phone call away. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, your broker, or give our operations team a call. Thanks for watching. Ensure to check out the rest of our Guaranteed Maintenance mini-series. Goodbye for now.